Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. Today is January 7th, 2014. I wanted to go over the trades that we took today. Today was a rough day for me because I was actually very preoccupied and was actually thinking of not opening the room. But we have a lot of people in there, and I didn't want to let them down, so I did anyway, and it really did affect my trading. I'm going to show you exactly some of the trades I took. We wound up with pretty much a flat day, and I'll show you our results. I will show you our results. But the pit opened on crude right here at 9 o'clock, and as you can see, this was unfortunately the tough trade right here. You can see this was a nice C candle, but we don't trade off of this yellow modified 15. Since we're trend traders, we want to take a C candle in which the 50 and the 15 are both heading to the upside. There are very, very few reasons to not can stay with this rule. But the C candle rocked to the upside, and crude just would not give up the ghost. I mean, we just didn't have a retracement. Now, here was a trade I took. I tried to rush it because I had to go out. I took a C candle, and I broke a cardinal rule. I took a short C on a rising 50. I closed it at -6. Even though the modified 15 was falling hard, you just don't trade short when you've got a 50 going long like that. And I deserve to lose that trade. Then we had we don't have really any perfect setups or great signals today on crude. So I just had that one loser on crude oil. And I'll go back and I'll show you all of our trades, and I'll show you our equity for the day. Now, because I was so frustrated with how I traded, we came back and we traded in the afternoon, and I was able to grab a really good trade. And once you maintain discipline and have patience, and you wait for the market to come to you, you're always okay on this system. And on the Russell, this was just a straight move up at market open. There's no way to grab it. Had to wait for a retracement. And again, I did the same thing here. I took a C candle short on a rising 50. I mean, shame on me. I should be beaten, broasted, toasted, roasted, and waterboarded. And it cost us 2 trades today. And that's a lot of equity. That's $1,000 on 5 and $600 on 3. Although one of the trades was closed at -6, no excuse. I took this C and got away with 5 ticks, even though the modified 15 was flat. That was a perfect trade I did not take. Now, this is a trade I called. It was a 2-line break of the 50. Now, the modified 15 was yellow, but our slope indicator was red. So it was a tradable signal, but I called it so late that very few people in the room had a chance to grab it. So I didn't book it as a profit. If I don't give you plenty of time to get into the trade, I'm not going to plaster it up here as an 18-tick winner. I asked in the room who got it. There were a couple of people who had lightning reflexes who did. The vast majority of people did not have time to get into it. So I just left it out as a winner. And then I came back at 12:30 just because I was aggravated, and we got this nice break of the 15. It's a little aggressive on the next candle. You can see this candle's outlined in light blue, which shows you order flow and momentum with you. And bam, up for 18 for a nice 18-tick winner to close the Friday. and sort of bail out the day because I had taken 1.5 really, really ridiculous losers. And then I had a very nice trade on the 6E, which I'm going to be watching in the morning. Right here. Perfect break of the 15. You can see the candles outlined in pink. Order flow and momentum are with you. When 16 ticks. On our targets, this is a 5-range chart, so our first target's 4 ticks. Our second target is 7, and I just put up here it's 12.50 per tick because there are a lot of people in the room who are not familiar with us trading a 5-range. So for the day, if I had not rushed a couple of trades, we would have done extremely well. And the system is just incredibly easy to trade. We had 3 winners and 2 losers. We had a 16-tick winner on the EC. The Russell, we were 5 and 8 and 18. I took that 10-tick loser on the Russell on a C candle short on a rising 50. The same thing on crude oil. I took a C candle short on a rising 50. Net total ticks was 23. And really, I salvaged the day. On 3 contracts, we only lost $28. On 5 contracts, we only lost 70 educational dollars. And we had a wonderful week. Made over $1,000 on a Wednesday, $1,000 on Thursday. And if not for my own preoccupation and my ability to try to squeeze in 3 winners in an abbreviated session, we could have made great money today. But we're going to post everything for the week. We had a very, very good week. Actually, I think an exemplary week. And I'm proud of our trading performance. And we're going to be looking to kill the markets next week. I've got an axe to grind after today. And I think our system can really beat these markets up every single day. Now, again, I want to remind everyone that I'm going to be on Online Trader Central on Monday, on the 10th at 4:30, giving a lecture on how to trade the Forex markets using this system. If any of you guys like to trade the Forex, guys, gals, I advise you to come in. I'm going to be showing a lot of charts from the euro dollar, some from the euro pound, on a 5-range chart. They set up terrific, just really, really terrific. You're welcome to come into the room anytime for a free trial. Just go to our website at www.rightlinetrading.com and you can sign up there. You can call us at 855-765-6681. So you can send us an email at info@rightlinetrading.com. I hope everybody has a wonderful, happy, safe weekend. Take care.